Step 1. Make sure the motor is switched on, then press and hold the program button on the motor head for 2 seconds. The motor will jog, the status light will flash, and you will hear a beep. This indicates that the motor has entered pairing mode. Slide open the remote control cover, then select the channel you would like to pair with the motor. Next, press the P2 button on the back of the remote control twice, with a short pause between each press. The motor will jog and you will hear a beep after each press. Then, press the up button on the remote control. The motor will jog 3 times, indicating that the motor has been successfully paired with the selected channel. If, for any reason, you do not hear the 3 beeps or the motor does not pair successfully, you can reset the motor to factory settings and start the pairing process again. Step 2. To set the upper limit, first press the up button to move the blind to the fully open position. If you find that the motor is moving in the wrong direction, you will need to reverse the motor direction. Please refer to the user manual or follow the video instructions for reversing the motor direction. The correct motor direction depends on which side of the blind the motor is installed. Then press the P2 button on the back of the remote control. Motor will jog and you hear a beep sound. Then press up button on the remote twice with a short pause in between. Motor will jog 3 times after the second press. It means your motor now paired with the remote. Step 3. To set the lower limit, use the down button to move the blind to the fully closed position. To set the lower limit, press the P2 button on the back of the remote control. The motor will jog, and you will hear a beep. Next, press the down button on the remote control twice, with a short pause between each press. The motor will jog 3 times. Now, you can test your blind. Step 4, optional. To set the favorite position, use the up or down button to move the blind to your desired position. Then press the P2 button on the back of the remote control. The motor will jog and you will hear a beep. Next, press the stop button twice, with a short pause between each press. The motor will jog 3 times, indicating that your favorite position has been successfully set. You can move the blind to your favorite position from any position by pressing and holding the stop button for 3 seconds.